Hi, second grade. This is Miss Weiss. Today I am reading the article for Day 7 of your packet, Tuesday, May 19th. The title of the article is The Needs of Plants. You can follow along in your packet. Plants and animals are two groups of living things found on the earth. Unlike animals, plants can't move from place to place, so plants have to find ways to meet their needs. Plants need certain things to live. Every plant needs air, sunlight, and water. Most plants also need soil. Plants get nutrients, or substances they need to survive and grow, from the soil. The different parts of a plant help meet its needs. Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves. Each of these things does a special job for the plant. The roots usually grow under the soil and take in water and nutrients from the soil to help the plant grow. Tiny hairs grow on the roots that help them take in water. These tiny hairs are called root hairs. The roots also help to hold the plant in place or to stand up straight. Trees are plants that have large roots that go deep underground. In some plants, the roots store food for the plant. Some of the foods we eat, like carrots and radishes, are actually plant roots. The stem of a plant contains a small tube. The tube carries water and nutrients taken in by the roots to other parts of the plant. The stem also helps to hold up the leaves. Tree trunks are the stems of trees. Some of the foods we eat are stems. Celery and asparagus are two types of stems that people eat. The leaves are held up by the stem. Most plants have a lot of leaves. Leaves are very important because the leaves make food for the plant. Photosynthesis is the process plants use to make food. The leaves of the plant use water, sunlight, and air to make sugar for the plant to eat during photosynthesis. Because leaves need to take in a lot of sunlight to make food, they usually grow on top of a plant. We eat the leaves of some plants, like lettuce or spinach. The roots, stem, and leaves of a plant are all connected so that all of the plant needs of the plant are met. These parts must work together to help the plant survive. Number 1, what is the main idea of this text? Remember, the main idea means what the article is mostly about. What is this article about? Normally, our title gives us a good hint, so go back and look at the title, the needs of plants, and think about what the main idea of this article is. Number 2, how do the leaves of the plant help it to survive? Go back and find evidence in this article about how the leaves help. Number 3, how do the roots of the plant help it to meet its needs? Go back and find where the article talks about the roots. How do they help the plant? Number 4, what do you think would happen if the stem of a plant was damaged? Why do you think that? How do stems help plants? I remember the article said there's a tube in the stem that helped bring the plant water and nutrients. What would happen if that was damaged, if the plant couldn't get water and nutrients? Remember, as always, to write full second grade sentences. Start with a capital letter and end with punctuation for all of your answers. Great job, second grade.